It's Friday, November 11th. Temperature is 71 degrees Fahrenheit. I am in Longs, South Carolina, headed to North Myrtle Beach. So we're going to take a ride, see if we see any damage or flooding, which I doubt. It wasn't too bad here. Winds are still gusting up to about 30 miles per hour. And let's just see what we could find. Doesn't look like any damage here. So we'll take you down Route 9, headed east toward Little River, Cherry Grove, down to North Myrtle. And there's a little bit of water on the side of the road here, but nothing major. And hurricane or tropical storm Nicole just went through, and we didn't get it too bad here in Long, South Carolina. But we're going to take a ride from Longs down, head east on Route 9, heading toward Little River, Cherry Grove, and then we'll go into North Myrtle Beach, see if there's any damage. Doesn't look too bad right now, except a stop sign that appears to be about to fall off. And we're going to take a look and see if there's any damage from Hurricane Nicole here. I don't think it's too bad. We did get some heavy rain, and we got some pretty strong gusts, maybe 40 miles per hour. Not really seeing any damage so far. We're going to head down toward the water, see if there's any flooding or maybe some damage down there, but looks like we made out pretty well with this storm. There is still a tornado watch, I believe, till about 3 p.m. today in the Myrtle Beach area. It's not a bad day right now. We're going to continue on here. This is Sea Mountain Highway, if you're familiar with the Cherry Grove area, headed down to the water, which is just a couple of blocks from here, if you're not familiar with the area. On the left we have Bolanos, who pretty much owns everything down here. Good for him. Got food and fuel over at Bolanos, and then you got the hardware store. You got the store on the corner, Bolanos, that has everything, supermarket. Everything you could possibly want for the beach, Bolanos has. Some good food in there, some ice cream, some beer, if that's what you want. Black Pearl Golf on the left, which I don't think will be seeing too many people in there today. See our gas prices here in Cherry Grove are $3.29. I guess that's not too bad these days. Certainly like to see it a little lower. And here's Bolino's on the left. You got Basil's Pizza here on the right. And you can also get some ice cream right here on the corner of North Ocean Boulevard. Straight ahead is the ocean. I will head in toward the ocean right now just to see what it looks like. We're not going to be able to park here unless we pay. You can see it from here. Water looks a little rough right now. Looks a little rough up there. Very active right now. Yeah, I was saying, I think Cherry Grove might be one of the only areas this time of year where you still have to pay for parking. I believe there's some free parking around here somewhere, but I'm not going to get into that. Alright, we're going to cut across, we're going to head toward Main Street. We're cutting across Ocean Boulevard to Route 17. Turn here on 17. We're going to head down Main Street in North Myrtle, see if there was any damage down that way or any flooding. Everything looks pretty good here. Alright, we're turning off of 17 onto Main Street in North Myrtle. We're going to head down to the water and see if there's any flooding down there from the storm, but it looks pretty good. I don't think we had any issues here yesterday, maybe last night, but right now everything is clear. We're on Main Street. We got Kroger's on the right, and we got the Speed Racing Center over here on the left. Roads look good here, and it looks like the visitors are already on their way in. It's a Friday. People are coming down for the weekend and expecting good weather tomorrow. Could be a beach day. And if you want some good breakfast, the Golden Griddle Pancake House on the left here. It's not bad. Ate there a couple of times. Was very satisfied. Then there's the one and only Hoskins, and usually a line outside Hoskins, and there's that line waiting for lunch. Wow. Probably about 30-40 people on that line. That guy's doing something right. The Friday crowd has arrived. Traffic is starting to build a little bit here. We got the famous Ducks on the right. Big hangout for the mostly senior citizens. Main Sweets on the right, ice cream and candy. And let's see if we can drive across, take a look at the water. There's cars parked here already, and this motel on the left here, the Ocean Drive Pavilion, or Ocean Drive Motel, looks to be packed. I'm a little surprised that many people are down here this week. I guess there's things going on too, which I forgot. There's always events going on here. Parking lot is full. Free parking this time of year in North Myrtle. Can't really see the water from here, so we're gonna back it up. motels here seem to have a decent amount of people checking in. Parking lots have a number of cars, people coming down for the weekend. And we're getting a little short on beach days. And again, you see a lot of cars parked on the side. These motels are starting to get busy for the weekend. This area looks good. A little water again along the curbs, but nothing major. Friday's the day everybody comes down, enjoys the weekend here, and it's almost always beautiful here. If you guys would like to leave some comments, let me know what your favorite beach is. Looks like we got something that washed up in the storm. Looks like a tree.